What's up, everybody? It's Cedrick Lamar, and today I'm about to show you guys something that's going to make your vertical streams look way more professional. Let's get into it. Now, as you can see, I have my regular stream disabled. We're only focusing on the vertical right now. As you can see, I got my other webcam up right there. That's just for show. We don't care about that right there. What we care about this right here. This is what we're looking at right here. You see, we don't want that like that. We want to actually have immersive, engaging gameplay. And you can't have that without having your health bar, your weapons bar on the screen. So the best way to do that easily through the software without having to do anything else is let's go over here and click our vertical scenes. We're going to click the add source, display capture, the same display capture. We don't need to add a new display capture. Click it. Now you can name that display capture if you want to know what window it is, but I don't. We're going to hold Alt and bring that down. Bring that in. Hold Alt again and bring that in. Now you can see we have our display of our health meter. Let's bring that all the way in like that. Make it smaller. Bring that up, try to get as much as the background not showing as possible. And then we have our health meter. We're going to bring that down, put it right there. Now we have our health meter. The same thing goes for our weapons wheel. Go to display capture, same display, hold Alt. I do have a new keyboard, so I'm looking at Alt. And we're going to bring that one down from this corner while holding Alt. Now, I don't care for this new weapon that they added, so I'm going to hold Alt, bring that down again, and make that disappear. I'm going to hold Alt, bring that in some more, so you can see my pickaxe. I don't really care if you know what pickaxe I'm using. You see it right there, but we can bring that in some more. I don't care if you see my buttons. We can bring that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see all my weapons. Let's bring that in some more. And then we're going to bring it down. Now, from here, you can make these as big as you want to kind of match. And that just looks so much better. Now, from there, we're going to add another display capture. Now, this one is totally up to you. However your preference is, we're going to bring that in and get our map and our kill feed. So with this, some people like to just have the kill feed on like that. Some people like to have the kill feed and bring it over here, have their map over here. And this is totally up to you. The way I do it is I have my map open like that with my kill feed, and then I kind of just put it over here to the side like that, kind of matching the gameplay as it wasn't vertical. That's what I like to do. Now you have your map, your weapons wheel, your health bar and all that, health meter. And this looks so much better when you're vertically streaming. Now, this is what keeps me on the stream. If I don't see any of this on your stream and your stream just looks like this, and I don't know what weapons you're using, I don't know your health, I don't know how many kills you got, I'm going to leave. But if it looks like this, that looks so much better to me. And I promise you, people will stay if you keep it like that. Now, there is another way to do this that involves a little more skills with graphic design and stuff like that. But this is a simple way to do it. So I hope I helped you guys out. If there's anything else that you guys want to know, leave a comment down below and we'll get to it. Peace.